Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 245 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this watch. First we need to open the menu. To do it, you need to press and hold the up button. Press and hold it, and once the menu appears on the screen, you can release it. Now we can use the down button or up button to scroll through the menu. Scroll through the menu until you find the system option, select it, and then press the start button to enter. Here, scroll down by pressing the down button, select the time option and press the start button. And as you can see here we have the option called time format. Select it, then press the start button, and you can select between 12-hour and 24-hour format. Select the one you like, then press the start button to confirm. And now we can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And as you can see, the time format changed. And that's how you change the time format on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.